like to have our city attorney give some context in terms of the deliberations for this meeting and context for what constitutes a quorum.
Thank you very much, Mr. City Manager, Mayor Pro Tem, and council members. The issue of quorum obviously has come up. It's come up before in the past as it relates to the districting issue of, back in 2023. Tonight, we are facing a similar set of circumstances, and there's a special counsel who assisted back in January of 2023 of Sturmwasser and Wucher, and they reviewed and analyzed the issue back then, wherein they discussed the issue of a quorum. Tonight, and I should also indicate that earlier today, I reached out to the same law firm and the same attorney who wrote the opinion regarding quorums, and the position of that law firm, and I agree with the position of that law firm, the opinion of that law firm, is that, and I'll read why that opinion is before you this evening, and why it, two members of the City Council, consistent current City Council, constitutes a quorum. And there is a body of law, both case law, California Supreme Court case law, and Attorney General opinions that addresses those issues. In the specific case that involved the city of Arcadia, a nearby city, a few years back, they addressed a question of a city council that constituted 3 members and only 2 were present. And in the California Supreme Court opinion, and I'm going to read it specifically, there is no question but that a council of 3 members is directed, in this situation, directed and required to elect the successors, that 2 of them constitute a quorum for that purpose. I'll reiterate that 2 of the 3 constitute a quorum for that purpose. So tonight, even though there is 2 out of the 3 members, based on California case law, and also based upon other authority from the California Attorney General, that the general parliamentary procedure, parliamentary rule, that a majority of the quorum, in this case we have 3 members of the City Council, a majority of that quorum suffices for the council to take action. It would be different if the body of law or if the rules stated, not only in the government code or elsewhere, that the action must be of the entirety of the council, or the majority of the members of the entire City Council, as opposed to just the majority of the council. So tonight, as we sit here, based on the California Supreme Court opinion, based upon Attorney General opinion, a 2-member City Council makes a quorum for the City of Montebello for this meeting tonight and can take action. And if I'm happy to address any questions from the City Council. Hearing none, then the next question I think that's appropriate to address is, at the last meeting, the City Council made it very clear that public comment had concluded. Being this is a regular, an adjourned regular meeting, and no further comment would be received from the public. Extensive public comment was provided, and also no.
Please call roll.
Councilor Peralta.
Excuse me,
Yes.
excuse me, please, we're calling roll.
We're calling roll at this time. Roll call. Sure.
Yes.
I have a yes from Councilor Peralta. Mayor Pro Tem Tamayo.
Aye.
That motion carries. At this point in time, it'd be appropriate to adjourn.
I motion to adjourn.
Congratulations. As chair, I will adjourn this meeting to the next regular meeting